Something about Diljit Dosanjh's Met Gala look is really annoying me, and I'll tell you what it is. First things first, I do think he looks absolutely stunning. This is how you do a Met debut. I love the silhouette. I am not trained in fashion, but the details, the accessorizing is so beautiful. As a Punjabi myself, I've really looked at Diljit as the fourth bearer of Punjabi culture in the world today. He's done so much for it, and I love that he had the Gurmukhi script, the map of Punjab, all of those things on his outfit. I know a lot of people are also talking about how his outfit wasn't on theme, but personally I think it really was, because the theme was black dandyism tailored to you, and I think he took a lot of visual elements from dandy outfits and applied it, tailored it to his culture, which is Punjabi culture. You can see instead of the cane that a lot of black dandies had, he carries the sword. He has a cape, but it's the Punjab, I think there's a term for it, but it's that Punjabi sort of cape. He has a headgear, he has accessories, and I love what he's done with it. It's a Prabal Gurung outfit, and he's been styled by Abhilasha Devnani, and the entire look is inspired from the Maharaja of Patiala, Bhupinder Singh, who was quite renowned as a fashionista himself. In fact, the New York Times refers to Bhupinder Singh as an early Indian dandy. One of the centerpieces of Diljit's look is this opulent necklace, which is inspired from a 1928 necklace that Bhupinder Singh had commissioned Cartier to make. Last year, Diljit visited a Cartier store in Paris and took a photo with Bhupinder Singh's necklace, which I think in some way also indicates how closely he holds that cultural legacy to his heart. The necklace had been with the royal family of Patiala for a very long time, but in 1948, post-partition, it mysteriously disappeared from their treasury. It was considered lost to history, but then parts of it mysteriously appeared at various places. This year, along with the outfit that he wore, Diljit wanted to wear that necklace, and they tried to borrow it, but they were denied because it is in a museum. And now comes the part that really pisses me off. Because a couple of years back, Emma Chamberlain, a white woman, wore part of that necklace to the Met Gala. Usko Cartier ne mana nahi kiya कि museum में है, ये archival piece आप कैसे दे रहे हो? Such a beautiful homage by a Punjabi man to a Punjabi man at an international stage. It would have been so beautiful to have that exact necklace with Diljit wearing it. It was not to be. The necklace is apparently in a museum in London right now. I think it's so sad that a piece of Indian culture, Punjabi culture, could be loaned to a white YouTuber, but not to an actual Punjabi man. I think Diljit did great though. Like, he has killed it, but I am so sorry for Cartier because they could have done so much better.